Hi everyone, my name is Fernando Garcia from GlideFast, and today we're going to talk about the new changes and additions with the Tokyo release with regards to the telco products. So for the telecommunication release notes, it looks like it touches three different products, and one is going to be the TSM, which is telecommunication for service management. The other one is OMT for order management for telecommunications. And then a new product that is releasing with the Tokyo release called TNI, which is Telecommunications Network Inventory. So starting with the TSM product, it looks like the only new thing that it's touching is the service bridge feature. So what's new in the Tokyo release is the Service Bridge Authorized Users functionality, which allows you to define what authorized users from the customer side can submit requests by setting up catalog personas that you can associate to your remote record producers. This is a more granular approach that enables the customer to manage the list of authorized users that can submit requests for the provider, so it can be properly screened instead of a user being able to submit a ticket that may not apply and inundate more. And then we have Service Bridge Remote Task. This allows for spinning up remote task under any parent task on both provider and the customer sites. The remote task is synced between both environments, and depending on the remote task definitions configured, the remote task can create a parent task on the target environment it is inserted into for the first time, which then it can later be used to update parent fields on each instance and track updates within the remote task. Now, looking at what has changed in this release, there are no longer two administration groups or service bridge. It has been consolidated into one for handling automated email notifications and administrator tasks. And then on the CSM side of the house, a case task created on the provider side will now have an automatic assignment of service bridge to the channel instead of the e-bonding choice. And that's pretty much it for the service bridge TSM side of the house. So next, looking at the order management Tokyo release notes, we can see what's brand new is the change in disconnect and order for product and services that enables your agents to change and disconnect customer products or service orders directly from the Now platform by leveraging the order capture UI. Then we also have catalog versioning. The catalog hierarchy for each of the different domains now support versioning, which allows you to edit the published entities versus before where you had to deactivate and create a brand new one. And then we also have the orchestration plan UI for order agents, which this allows for an order fulfillment manager or agent to have an easier means to track all their domain orders by having a visual interface that shows the full hierarchy of domain orders and details. Then we have the TMF API conformance. There has been new TMF APIs introduced and enhancements made with regards to the following APIs, which here you can see it's the Trouble Ticket Management API, TMF 621, Product Order, TMF 622, Product Inventory, TMF 637, Alarm Management, TMF 642. And then moving on from the APIs, we also have horizontal relationships introduced among product services and resources. So this enables product catalog managers to define the compatibility rules for establishing horizontal relationships among the product, service, and resources, which allows two different domain specifications that may be on different product hierarchies to be related in the situations where one domain is dependent on another domain, not on the same hierarchy. And that's pretty much it for the order management Tokyo release notes. Moving on to the last new product that's going to be introduced as part of the Tokyo release, which is the Telecommunications Network Inventory application. This one basically, it's a new application that offers capability for setting up your network inventory. It adds new CI classes for equipment, equipment holder, interface cards, sites, physical and logical connections that the users can define and design. It offers a new workspace that enables network inventory users to create inventory models utilizing the new CI classes to define their characteristics and other technical information. And then using those network inventory models, we can then use them to define templates that include rules on how the equipment should be generated and are based on specific operating requirements from the manufacturer. And then lastly, it also offers new change models that help with designing and assigning functions to your inventory via change requests. Templates defined in your network inventory can be used to instantiate the actual equipment. And that's pretty much it for the Tokyo release notes. Thanks all. Have a nice day.